Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm excited to share some of these products with you because one has been a customer request for quite a long time. And guess what that is? It is the Ladybug Fold It. Now, this Ladybug Fold It is very exciting because she has lots and lots of options. For example, I'm going to turn this around so you can see. Do you want the dots? Great, you can have the dots. What if you don't want the dots? Great, you don't need the dots. They're separate. You have lots of little hearts. You have different size hearts. You can do hearts there instead if you want to. Lots of fun. So it can be with dots, without dots. It can be with hearts. It can be with anything you want, which is really fun. And I have lots of great samples to share with you. And I'm really excited about this cutie pie. Also excited about a new little peep. I know you guys wish I could release a new little peep every week, but I can't. But here's our newest one. Are you ready? It's Little Peep Bunny, and she's absolutely adorable. Look how cute she is. She has a little dress, and she has a little tank top and little shorts. And it says, "You are so bunny." Get it? Funny. Some bunny loves you. Don't worry, be hoppy. Has cute little flowers you can add to her clothing. And of course, there are dies that match. Oh my gosh, our little peeps. Now, will these clothing fit the giraffe? Yes. Will they fit the monkey? Yes. Will the giraffe's little overalls fit this little bunny? Yes. They all mix and match, which is absolutely awesome, right? I know, it's amazing. Amazing. Okay. Another thing we're releasing is the words, and I know it doesn't look like anything here, the words "just pray." And let me just show you a sample really quick on that one because I want you to really see how gorgeous it is. Look at that, just pray. Pray has a little swirl at the end. I love this just pray. Now, you don't have to do just pray. You could just say pray if you want to. Pray always, which is so beautiful and so fun. But wait, my friends, there are more because I have 2 limited edition items. Once these 2 items are gone, they are gone forever. If you don't see them on our website, that means they're gone. I hope you're getting them now. That is a spring ribbon bundle. We have a ginger snap gingham. We have a beautiful mint chip satin. We have a pink seam binding, pixie light purple of the yummy felt one that is just absolutely so yummy. And then also a blue stripe. So get that quick while you can because they'll be gone. Also releasing limited edition epoxy dots in spring colors. How many times have you said, I wish I had more epoxy dots? Now, I know quite a few of you that like to buy 2 of all of our embellishment sets because you like to collect one and have one to use. You know what? I'll be honest, guilty. It's true. You know, because you always want the collection to look pretty, but then you need a collection to use. Just saying, right? I know, we're all on the same page. I get it. Now, let's jump in and look at our samples. Michelle made this cute little ladybug stuffy. You know, my baby boys love the little stuffies that Michelle makes. You can make these out of our wool felt, which is really fun. Look how cute she is with her little hearts all sewn on, so cute. Such a cute little guy. Also would be cute in your tiered tray. Look, we could just put our little guy right there. Look how cute she looks just there. Now, here she is in an actual card. Look how beautiful with those little hearts streaming down. Open it up, sending you a ladybug hug. Isn't that cute with her cute little hearts? I love that. Or you could put her on the front of a card. Look at that. Look at all those cute little hearts on there. So fun. Dream hugs, be mine. So cute. Heartfelt wishes to you, my friend. Beautiful. And here's a cute one. Ooh, I love the hearts right there in the center. So beautiful. Open that up and you can write your message on the inside. Now let's look at some bunnies. Bunnies with our cute little egg fold it. You are so bunny. Love that. Love that. You can also make them friends. Aren't they cute? Now, I always like to show you all the different versions of the little peeps or anything that's ever colored because I like you to see the different options in color. Let's see, there we go. And here's a white bunny. So lots of different versions. Look at that. You can do them any which way you want. different colors, or you could do white, or you could do gray. That's up to you. So much fun. I love our little Peeps. They're so fun. Now, look at this gorgeous cross flip it. Just pray. Don't stress about it. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that stunningly, stunningly beautiful? I love that. Just pray. Here's one using just the pray. This is our rectangle flip it. Pray, pray, pray. Open it up. Just pray. Isn't that gorgeous? Sometimes you need to remind people, you just got to pray about it. I know, you just got to pray about it. Sometimes we worry, and we're like, no, you just got to stop and pray. That's all you have to do. Give it to God, and then you don't have to think about it anymore, right? Here's one, just pray. Look at that, the inside of this one. Although no words can really help to ease the loss you bear, just know that you are very close in every thought and prayer. Isn't that beautiful? Just pray. Now, club members, yes, you know the gig. You get a 15 to 20% discount off of everything that I've just shown you. And if you've managed to get it on flash sale the first 24 hours it comes out, boom, not every product, but 90% of them. Flash sale also, so flash sale and club discount. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video. Our clubs start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically. Then you're also getting 15% off anything else on our website, anything, no exclusions, classes, die cut machines, anything you want, 15% off of every order, as long as you're a club member. You're also getting club points and freebies every couple months. We like to throw out some freebies once in a while, so make sure you check that out. And if you're in the club a full year, guess what? On your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. Kit Club members get a $25 gift certificate to our website. I know, it's amazing. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm gonna see you there. Bye-bye.